In this video, we will discuss what is constant. We can say constant is nothing but a variable which can be assigned only for one time, and it cannot allow modification or change in the value of that variable. Such kind of variable is known as constant. So how we can create that constant variable? Using the final keyword, final, data type, and the variable name. And for this constant variable, there are some certain rules or constraints. It should be in uppercase. Example, roll number. So roll number cannot be changed, right? So this variable should be in uppercase, and if any other subsequent words are there, it should be separated with underscore. So like roll number. So what we said, we initialize only for once. Roll number is equals to some 21. So this is how we can create constant. When we modify the value like 22, so what it is returning? It is returning some error, right? Variable roll number might already have been assigned. So for these variables like constant variable, we can initialize only for once. Now what is the difference between constant and normal variable? Int age is equals to some 12, and we are having some constant variable roll number. So as the name specifies variable, so which can vary or which can varies. This 12 value can be changed further. Age is equals to some 23. So how we can access that? System.out.println age. So there is no error when we change or modify a variable, but in case of constants, we can't change once it is assigned. The variables can be changed once initialized, but constants cannot be changed once initialized. So this is the difference between variable and constant.